In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the contents of a cell in Microsoft Excel. Editing cells is a fundamental skill that allows you to correct mistakes, update information, or improve the clarity of your data. By mastering this, you can make your Excel sheets more accurate and professional. By the end of this video, you will feel confident editing any cell efficiently. First, open your Excel workbook and locate the cell you want to edit. You can click directly on the cell to select it. Once selected, there are a few different ways to make changes to the contents. One method is to simply start typing while the cell is selected. This will overwrite any existing content with your new input. If you want to modify the current content without deleting it, double-click on the cell. This will place the cursor directly inside the cell, allowing you to edit the existing text or numbers. Alternatively, you can select the cell and then click on the formula bar at the top of the Excel window. The formula bar displays the cell's contents and allows you to make changes there as well. This method is particularly useful for longer text entries or formulas, as it provides more space to see what you are editing. Once you have made your changes, press Enter to confirm and save the edits. If you decide not to make the changes, press Escape to cancel and revert the cell to its previous state. Excel also provides the F2 key as a shortcut. By selecting a cell and pressing F2, you can directly enter edit mode without double-clicking. This can save time if you frequently edit cells. Remember, being able to efficiently edit cells allows you to maintain accurate records, update reports, and keep your data clean. Practice using these different methods so you can choose the one that works best for your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to edit the contents of a cell in Microsoft Excel using multiple methods, from typing directly to using the formula bar or F2 shortcut. Mastering these techniques ensures your Excel sheets remain accurate and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.